Hey guys, what's up? TheCuberSingh here, back with another video. I know it's been a while, but I'm ready to get back into it. In this video, I'll be doing an average of 5 on the 3x3. I will be doing my inspections on the phone. Alright, 29 seconds right here. $23.807. $20.961. There we go. I think that is a personal best right here. Yeah, I think I just inserted that piece in the wrong spot. Alright, here goes my last solve in a couple of seconds. Oh man. I'm not proud of this solve, but that's the last one in the average of 5. So after I just clean up the times with all those DNFs from just letting the timer run, 38.999. Alright. So clearing out those DNFs. My average of 5 for this session was 27.43. I think that's pretty good. Could be better, But yeah, for now that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. See you next time.